All right, I want to show you what I just got from Columbia Tools. It's an awesome, game-changing skim coating set of tools, and I'm going to show you through some videos on what you can do with these. It's a game changer, man. Totally a game changer. I want to say thank you to Columbia Tools for sending me this whole tool set of Tomahawk skim coating blades. This video is sponsored by Columbia Tools. They sent me these, and I'm going to put them to good use, as you know I will. Their sizes ranging from 48 to 32 to 24 to 18 to 14 to 12 to 10 to 7. Plus I have a handle or a pole to do these skim coating blades for ceilings as well. I am totally hooked up, and I'm going to hook you up. So stay tuned for some awesome videos. Just want to check this out for a second. I'll show you the small one. There's the 14-inch Tomahawk. It's a skim coating blade. It's got a nice handle. The blades are changeable. So if you ding it or bend it, you can get a new one. So this is pretty much a lifetime set of tools. Probably last you a good 20 years. I'm pretty psyched. So I hope you stick around. I hope you check out some of these videos. Hopefully we'll have some giveaways from Columbia Tools. We're gonna find out. So be sure to leave me a comment and tell me what you think, or if you've used these. I'd love to hear about it and your experience with them. I have a few skim coating jobs coming up that I'm going to try and put these to use. And then I'm going to share it all with you. So if you're new to the channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button and also the bell notification to get alerted whenever I post a new video. All right, so I haven't been able to use these, but I wanted to give you a quick preview of what you can do with these skim coating blades. This is a friend of mine over in Hawaii, CNS Drywall. Check him out. He's skim coating a ceiling after popcorn was removed. So he's doing the first coat of skim with the Tomahawk. I think he's got an 18-inch blade. Also on a handle. So you don't even have to get on stilts or a walk platform or a ladder or anything. You can completely work from the ground. So this is an awesome way to skim coat after popcorn removal or new drywall. All right, so I wanted to head over to Columbia Tools YouTube channel and show you what else these skimming blades, also known as smoothing blades. You can bed tape and finish drywall. This is especially good for DIYers, because you have such a big surface that you can skim or smooth out, say for these butt joints, is awesome. So if you're a DIYer, even a contractor, you got to check these out for not only skim coating, but drywall finishing as well. So I'll leave links to the channels that I'm showing, Columbia and CNS Drywall, and also a link to my Amazon influencer store, where I have all these tools available. All right, well, I appreciate you watching. Be sure to subscribe if you want to check out these videos that are coming up with the skim coating blades. You can hit the subscribe button here, and also check this video out for skim coating right here. Thanks for watching. All right, so let's make it official. Bam!